Okay, hello students. We are connected now. So today is the last day to do permutations and combination problems. Actually, I have planned to do at least 20 to 30 problems. So let's start doing. Let me paste the first question. Here is the question. There are 30 people in a group. If all shake hands with one another, how many handshakes are possible? Because total there are 30 people, and to shake hands, we need 2 people. So we have to select 2 people. Here it is selection, not arrangement. Because whether A shakes hand with B or B shakes hand with A, it's one and the same. So we are not seeing arrangement, we are seeing selection. So 30 C2 handshakes will be possible. But because that is not there in the options, you have to simplify. Start from 30, take 2 numbers, 30 into 29 by 2 factorial. 2 and 15 will cancel. And so you can easily see the option will end with 5. 435 handshakes are possible. This would be the answer. Let's go to the second question. Yes, Lavanya, I have shared and now I'm taking the class. Mute, okay. Let's see the next question. In how many ways we can arrange the word first tone so that all the vowels come together? So first of all, we will take the vowels. The vowels in this word, U, O, E. 3 vowels are there. They all come together. Bundle them. Make them as one letter. And now, after taking out these vowels, left off are F, Z, Z, T, N. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have total 6 letters. These they arrange themselves in 6 factorial ways. But in this bundle, these 3 vowels also will arrange in 3 factorial ways. So first work, second work, we have to multiply. But then we have to see that there are 2 Zs. Zs are repeating. So we have to divide by 2 factorial. So this is the total number of arrangements, but it is not there in the options. So simplify it. Start with 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stop here, 2 factorial. And 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Denominator is 2 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel. So you have here 6 and then 6, 36, 36 and 3, 108 into 20. So that will be 2160. That's the answer. Total number of ways the word, the letters of the word can be arranged so that the vowels are together. Different types of questions you will see now. We will learn different types of questions here. Okay, let's go to next question. Here. In a cricket league, in first round, every team plays a match with every other team. 9 teams participated in the cricket league. How many matches are played in the first round? So total there are 9 teams. To play the match, we need 2 teams. This we have to select, not arrange. Because whether team 1 plays with T2 or T2 plays with T1 is one and the same. So arrangement is not taken, just selection is taken. And 9C2 will be start with 9, take 2 numbers by 2 factorial. You will have 36 ways. The matches can be played in the first round. Let's move on to the next question. Here is the next question. In this question, how many combinations are possible while selecting 4 letters from the word smoke jack with the condition that J must appear in it? So, as per the question, if you see, we want 4-letter combination because they are saying 4 letters have to be selected to form the word. So 4 letters we need. That is the first thing. And in that, J has to be there. So definitely one place will be occupied by J. J can be here or here or here or here. One place will be occupied by J. J is already there. So because J is already there, now we have SMOKEACK. Only these letters we have. And because one place is already occupied by J, we have only 3 places. We need only 3 letters. So if we need only 3 letters, we have different cases. Let us take the first case where we are taking 2 Ks. We are taking a 3-letter word, but we are taking 2 Ks, and the third letter has to be selected. This only third letter has to be selected from SMO. K is already taken. EAC. So these 2 Ks are already taken. So that is one possible case. So one letter, the third letter can be taken from the 6 left of letters. So from the 6, you are selecting 1. This is the first possible case. Then the second case is instead of taking 1 K, we are taking only, Instead of taking 2Ks, we are taking only 1K. So when 1K is taken, we have SMOEACK. 1K is there. That means we are taking only 1K is the case. So we can't take the other K, completely cut it off. Why? If you take the other K also, that will come under the first case. So now we are already taken 1K. In these 3 letters, 1K is there. The other K we are not going to take, because if we take, that is taken in the first case already included, if you take 2 Ks. So now we have 6 letters from which you have to select 2 letters and fill up these 2 places. That is the second case. And the third case is we will not take K at all. Neither 1K nor 2K. 1K is already taken here. 2Ks are already taken. Now no K. That means we have SMOEAC, and these 6 letters are used to select 3 letters and fill up the 3 places. So this is the third possible case. So after observing, we come to know that these are the 3 possible cases. So when you take 6C1, 6, 6C2, start with 6 into 3, yes, 6 into 5, sorry. 6 into 5, 2 numbers, divide by 2 factorial. So that is 15. Then 6C3, start with 6, take 3 numbers by 3 factorial. So 20. So total 3 cases you have to add, first one plus second one plus third one. And that comes out to be 41. Option D. So you're meeting with different possible cases, different types of problems. See carefully and note it down. What happens in each case? Okay, next question. Okay, here in a room, there are 2 green chairs, 3 yellow chairs, and 4 blue chairs. In how many ways Raj can choose 3 chairs so that at least 1 yellow chair is included? So we have to select total 3 chairs. That is what they said. Raj has to choose 3 chairs. We have 2 green, 3 yellow, and 4 blue. And then at least 1 yellow chair. That means there can be 1 yellow chair or 2 yellow chairs or all the 3 yellow chairs. There are 3 possible cases again. Suppose we are taking 3 chairs from the total without any condition. Total we have 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4. 9 chairs are there. From that we are selecting 3 chairs. We are not arranging. Choose means select. Start with 9. Take 3 numbers 9, 8, 7 by 3 factorial, that is 6. 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 1s, 2 4s. 12 sevens. Total there are 84 ways. There is no condition about the 3 chairs. We can select any chair. Now suppose if you don't want even 1 yellow chair, no yellow chair is taken. So the case we are taking is no yellow. But they are saying at least 1 yellow, maybe 1 or 2 or 3. So just opposite to this. No 1, no 2, no 3. No yellow at all. Then what is happening? We have 2 green chairs and 4 blue chairs. Only 6 chairs we have. From these 6 chairs, we have to select. How to select? How many we have to select? From 6 chairs, we have to select 3 chairs. That can be done in how many ways? Start with 6, 5, 4. 3 numbers by 3 factorial. So 20 ways we can select 3 chairs in which no yellow chair is taken. But no yellow chair is quite opposite. So from the total, you subtract no yellow chairs. So in 64 ways, we may have 1 yellow chair or 2 yellow chairs or 3 yellow chairs. So first we are taking the opposite of it and then we are subtracting from total. This is another way which you have learned today for the first time. I mean, in this class. Okay, let's go to next question. Question number 6. Okay, I'm putting the question. Here it is. 17 students are present in a class. In how many ways can they be made to stand in 2 circles of 8 and 9 students? So, if you take selection, combination, total 17 students are there. And now, what we have to do? We have to select 9 students. First, we will select 9 students. That can be done in 17C9 ways. After that, arrange these 9 students in a circle. So that can be done in 9 minus 1 factorial ways. That is 8 factorial ways they can be arranged in a circle. This is the formula. Now, left off from 17, you have already selected 9 students. So 8 students are left off. These 8 students also, they are to be arranged in another circle. And that can be done in 8 minus 1 factorial. That is 7 factorial ways. So this is the whole story. Then the whole work is done. So first work from 17, selecting 9. Second work, arranging these 9 students. Then take the remaining 8 students and arrange them in 7 factorial ways. So this is option B. What happened, Lohit? Are you getting disconnected in the middle? Okay. You went to have food. Okay, let's go to the next question. Here is the next question. So as per this question, on a railway line, there are 20 stops. a ticket is needed to travel between any two stops. How many different tickets would the government need to prepare to cater all possibilities? So total, there are 20 stops, 20 stations. So from that, you have to select two stations, one to start, the other one to end. And that can be done in 20 C2 ways. This is when we start from one side. Right? Like when we are going from A to B, we have to start the train is going from A to B. So we have to select two stations from 20 stations in 20 C2 ways. And in that ways, one can print the ticket. But a person will not go only one way. The person will come back like this also. There are many people, they will come back also from B to A. So for that also they need tickets. So we are multiplying by 2. One forward, one backward trip. So 20 C2 means start with 20, take two numbers, divide by 2 factorial. So 2 into 19 is 338 and 38 into 10 is 380 types of tickets one can go for printing. Okay, next. In Daya's bag, there are 3 books of history, 4 books of science, and 2 books of maths. In how many ways can Daya arrange the books so that all the books of same subject are together? So total, there are 3 types of books. One is history, the other one is science, and the third one is maths. So he has to arrange the books in like this. All the subjects, same subjects coming together. So total there are 3 subjects. He can arrange in 3 factorial ways. But within this group, the 3 history books will arrange in 3 factorial ways. 4 science books will arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways. And 2 maths books will arrange in 2 factorial ways. Which is not there in the options. That means you have to simplify this. 3 factorial is 6, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, and 2 factorial is 2. 36 into 48, it must 8648, 8648. So it must end with 8. 4th option, 1728. I need not multiply full also. Without multiplying, just multiplying the end numbers, we can get the answer. So that is shortcut way of getting the answer. Okay, I'll put the next question. Here is the next one. A locker in a bank has a 3-digit lock. Mahesh forgot his password and was trying all possible combinations. He took 6 seconds for each try. The problem was that each digit can be from 0 to 9. How much time will be needed by Mahesh to try all combinations? Clearly, combinations means it is combinations questions. So, there is a 3-digit lock. And then Mahesh is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 10 numbers are given. He can put 10 numbers in the first place, any one of the 10 numbers. In the second place also, he can put any one of the 10 numbers, because when you keep a password, you can repeat it. Like you can keep 552 as the password. 5 can come 2 times, nothing wrong. And the third digit also, the third lock also can be filled up in 10 ways. So total 10 into 10 into 10. First work, second work, third work. That is 1000 ways are there to try. But what is said, each combination takes 6 seconds. So one way, it will take 6 seconds to try. But there are 1000 ways to try to open the lock. So that will take 6000 seconds. It will take 6000 seconds to try all possible numbers to open the lock. So 6000 seconds means what? You have to divide by, because 1 minute has 60 seconds. 6000 seconds will be equal to 6000 into 1 by 60. 1 0 will cancel, 1 0 0. So 100 minutes he will take. Because the answer is given in minutes, I have changed to minutes. And in the question, they're asking you how much time it will take to open. Time taken you have to write and nothing else. Okay, next question. Mayur travels from Mumbai to Jammu in 7 different ways, but he is allowed to return to Mumbai by any way except the one he used earlier. In how many ways he can complete the journey? So when Mayur is going from Mumbai to Jammu, he has 7 ways to choose. But when he's coming from Jammu to Mumbai, he must come in a different way than that of used in first case. So what I'm going to say is, when he is going from Mumbai to Jammu, he has 7 ways. But when he is coming back from Jammu to Mumbai, he cannot select the way which he has already chosen. So that one way you have to subtract. So he has only 6 ways. The first work is done, second work is done. The total work can be done in 7 into 6. That is 42 ways. No one is telling me the answer beforehand. You are waiting for me to answer. Okay, next. Here is the next question. Without repetition, using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 0, how many numbers can be formed which lie between 500 and 1000? So total we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 0. 7 numbers are given to us total. That's the first thing you have to see. Now, next is when you are forming numbers, when you are making numbers between 500 and 1000, 501 between 502, 503, like that, 601, 602 continues, 701, 702, it continues. Then 801, 802, 901, 902, like that until 999. These all numbers can be taken, but we can't take 500 and 1000, between 500 and 1000. So you can see all these numbers are 3-digit numbers. If you take the first digit, this first digit has to be either 5, 6, or 8. Because you can see the first digit is 5, 6. Of course, 7 is not given to you. 8 is given. Of course, 9 is not given to you. So the first digits can be only 5, 6, 8. Because then only they will be between 500 and 1000. Now, the second digit. What should be the second digit? Already the first digit is occupied here. One digit is already occupied. So suppose something like 8 is occupied. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 digits are left. So you can use any one of the 6 digits. 6 ways are there for the second place. And then the third digit. For the third digit, already 2 digits are occupied. So from 6, you have only 5 numbers. They can be arranged in 5 ways. So if you take the first digit, it can be filled with 5 or 6 or 8, 3 numbers. So 3 ways. Second one in 6 ways. Third one in 5 ways. So 3 into 30, total 90 ways it is possible to arrange. Okay. Next one. A trekking group is to be formed having 6 members. They are to be selected from 3 girls, 4 boys, and 5 teachers. In how many ways can group be formed so that there are 3 teachers, 3 boys, or 2 girls and 4 teachers? So we have to select 6 members. But there are 2 cases, 3 teachers plus 3 boys. Or the other one, 2 girls plus 4 teachers. 2 cases are there to follow. So when I am taking 3 teachers and 3 boys, this has to be written as and. I'm selecting 3 teachers and 3 boys. Similarly, 2 girls and 4 teachers. But here I have to write or. Wherever I will write or, there I will add. Wherever I will write and, there I will multiply. And means I will go for multiplication. Now, first case. How many teachers are there? That you have to see. There are 3 girls, 4 boys, and 5 teachers. So from 5 teachers, you have to select 3 teachers. And from 4 boys, you have to select 3 boys. Then the next. From 3 girls, we have to select 2 girls. And from the 5 teachers, we have to select 4 teachers. So this will be the answer, but this is not given in the question. So we have to simplify it. In the option, it is not given. 5C3 means 5C2. 4C3 means 4C1. 3C2 is 3C1. 5C4 is 5C1. You can make it like this. So 5 into 4, 2 numbers by 2 factorial into 4C1 is 4. 3C1 is 3, 5C1 is 5 directly. 2 factorial means 2 2s. So 5 4s 20, 20 2s 40 plus 50. So 55 ways. Option A. Yes, Lohit, you are correct. Okay. We will go to next question. Change letters of the word marker. Suppose if you take marker letter as such. In the word marker, there are total 6 letters. You count and keep it that first. Now these 6 letters without any condition, in how many ways you can arrange? Remember, R's are coming 2. 2 R's are coming. So here we are talking about arrangement. 6 letters in 6 factorial ways, and the 2 letters are in 2 factorial ways. That is 6 into 5 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. So there are 15 ways to arrange the total. Sorry. 1 second. 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Stop. 2 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel. 12 into 30. 360 ways are there to arrange. Someone got the answer already. Lohit got the answer as C. Let us see. So total, if you see the marker letters, they can be arranged in 360 ways. But Suresh doesn't want the 3 vowels to be together. So vowels not together. How will you do? From total, you will subtract vowels together. So total is 360 without any condition. Vowels together means how many ways? R and R, there are 2 letters of course. And then we have M, then we have K. The vowels are A and E, which are to be together. So in how many ways you can arrange this vowels together? So total, how many letters we have? This is treated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial ways you can arrange. But there are 2 R's. So you have to divide by 2 factorial. But then vowels will arrange among themselves. Because there are 2 vowels, they will arrange in 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial will cancel. 360 minus 5 factorial is 120. So there are 240 ways. Option C will be the answer. Let's go to the next question. So Lohit, you got correct. Option C, you did correct. Next question. A bank has 6-digit account number with no repetition of digits within an account number. The first and last digit of the account number is fixed to be 4 and 7. How many such accounts are possible? So first of all, we need 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits account number. No repetition. Remember that. And then first and last digit is to be fixed by 4 and 7. That is also given. Okay. So now when you fill up the digits, total how many numbers are there to fill up? We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 10 numbers we have. But out of 10 numbers, 2 numbers already sat. So we have only 8 numbers. So the blank over here, it can be filled in 8 ways because we have to take 1 from 8 numbers. So because now 3 numbers are taken, total we have 7 numbers. So for this place, there are only 7 ways to fill. But because we have taken now 4 numbers, now we have only 6 numbers left. To fill up this place, 6 members are essential. When total 5 numbers are taken, now we have only 5 numbers left. And so this last space have only 5 ways. So now we have completed the whole work. This is part of the work. First work, second work, third work, fourth work. You are multiplying. And then you will get in how many ways, how to multiply. 8 sevens 56. 5 is also there in the middle. 8 sevens 56. 30 into 4, 120. So here shortcut method will not work. What am I doing? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So 56 into 30 ways are there. And that is 1600. Easy to multiply. We have to multiply because all the options are ending with 0. We cannot select one directly like that. Multiply and take. Yes. There is no 4 at all. 8765. By mistake, I wrote 4. Okay, next 15th. This question already it is done, 15th question. So I'm not pasting the 15th question. It is same handshake questions. How many handshakes are possible? So that I'm not pasting. Let's go to the next. Here. If you know, if you can do it before me, you can do it and tell me the answer also, as Lohit is doing. There are 35 people in a group. There are 12 school girls, 10 school boys, 5 senior citizens, and 8 babies in the group. The organizer of the group wants to select a school girl or a school boy as leader of the group. In how many ways can he do so? So here the leader has to be formed from girls or boys. That means 12 school girls or 10 school boys you have to take them, and from any one of them, either girl or boy, should become the leader. So out of 12, you can select one for leader in this way, in 12 C1 ways, or not only girl, or you can select boy from 10 boys, 1 boy. Because there is or, we are adding. Because when I select one leader from here, my work is over. This is not the first work. One work is over. And this is not the second work. This is again another work. We are starting again from the beginning. So you must understand that this is taking girl is not the first work. Taking boy is not the second work. Both are we are not doing. We are either selecting girl or we are selecting boy. That's why you have to add. That means, yes, Lohit said option A. That's correct. 12 plus 10, we get 22 ways are possible. So once you understand the question, whether it is or and, then you will understand what to do, add or multiply. Next question. Seventeenth one. There are 8 routes from London to Delhi, and there are 6 routes from Delhi to Tokyo. In how many different ways can Raj travel from London to Tokyo via Delhi? So actually what's happening? London to Delhi and from Delhi to Tokyo. Here there are 8 ways, 8 routes. Here there are 6 ways, 6 routes. Now, Raj wants to travel from London to Tokyo via Delhi. So in how many ways he can do that? So this is first work and second work. Yes, Lohit got the correct answer. First work can be done in 8 ways, second one in 6 ways, total in 48 ways he can go from London to Tokyo via Delhi. Okay, next. Here is the next question. 4 members form a group out of total 8 members. The first part is in how many ways it is possible to make the group if 2 particular members must be included. Second is in how many ways it is possible to make the group if 2 particular members must not be included. So you need 2 answers. If you take the first way, compulsorily 2 particular members are included. See, we have to select 4 members. Total 8 members are there. So 2 particular members are included. That means 2 people will go and already sit. So if 2 people will go, 8 minus 2, now 6 members are there. And how many places are there? 2 places are there. So from 6 members, we have to select 2 people for these 2 places. That is 6 factorial, 6 minus 2, 4 factorial, and 2 factorial. This is what we have. So which can be written as 6 into 5 into 4, you can stop by 4 factorial, and 2 factorial is 2. 4 factorial will cancel. Then you will have 15 ways. So if 2 particular members are included, the remaining 2 members we can select in 15 ways. If you see the option C and D, you can cancel. It will be either A or B. So for that, second case, 2 particulars are never taken. The second, 2 particular members must not be included. That means I have total 8 members. From these 8 members, these 2 members which they don't want to include, I am taking only 6 members for consideration. Lohit got B, and that is correct, Lohit. So we have only 6 members now, but still from 6 members, we have to take 4 members for the group. And this can be done in 6C 4 ways or 6C 2 ways. Start with 6, take no 2 numbers by 2 factorial. So again in 15 ways. When 2 particular members are included, 15 ways. When 2 particular members are not included, that is also 15 ways. So option B is correct, as Lohit said. 19th is again handshake, so I'm leaving. I'll go to 20. Here is question number 20. Today, for sure, we have done 20 questions. Let us see how many more we will do it. So a box contains 4 black, 3 red, and 6 green marbles. 2 marbles are drawn from the box at random. What is the probability that both the marbles are of same color? So what is the probability? You are drawing 2 marbles from the box and 2 marbles of same color. What is the probability? First of all, see total how many marbles are there in the box. 4 black plus 3 red plus 8 green. 6 green. 4 black, 3 red, and 6 green. So total 13 marbles are there in the box. Now 2 marbles are drawn. From 13, we are selecting 2, no condition. Start with 13, take two numbers 13 and 12. Divide by 2 factorial, 2 6 is 12. So 78 ways are there. For selecting marbles, total 78 ways are there. But once the marbles are selected, the 2 marbles should be of same color. In these 78 ways, total 78 ways are there to select the marble. Out of them, both marbles selected should be of same color. Same color means from black, you have to select 2. Both will be black. Or from red, you have to select 2. Both will be red. Or from green, you have to select 2. Both will be green. And so 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 factorial. And that is 6. Plus 3C2 is same as 3C1, which is 3. 6C2, start with 6. Take two numbers, 6 and 5, by 2 factorial, so 15. So out of 78 ways, how many ways you will get same color marbles? 18 plus 6, 24. 24 out of 78, you don't cancel it. Yes, option B, it is already there. So better not to cancel and keep it like this. So exactly we have done 20 questions. In homework, I want to give you questions today because today is the last day. Around 10 questions I will give you in homework. I'll put it on the board now itself. So that later on you can check. Give me 1 second. Try these problems. Next chapter, tomorrow we are going to have binomial theorem. Lohit. Tomorrow we'll start that. So only 3 questions came in this page. I'm erasing it. When you go through the notes, you can see. You need not take any picture like that. You will be sent the link. When you get the link, you will see all these questions. try to get the answers as practice. 3 more questions I have put here. And then 2 more or 3 more I will. So see you tomorrow in the class with the new chapter, synopsis and practice questions. That's it for today.